My name is Jeff Falk with Schneider Electric, and with me is Brooks Cotton, a technician from Schneider Electric Field Services. The Square D Masterpact circuit breaker is known for its excellent reliability, compact footprint, and superior performance. And Masterpact continues to innovate. In the last video, we introduced the new shutters that will significantly cut installation time. Today, I want to show you the new cluster shields and cluster design. The new cluster kit includes the cluster positioning tool and the cluster shield kit. The new design uses T-shaped tips that provide a more secure connection to the cluster support. These notches really help make that happen. Brooks is using the new cluster positioning tool. It's a handy, easy to use tool and can be used to remove the old clusters too. Before we go any further, I want to stress the importance of making sure you have the right parts for the clusters, cluster supports, and cluster shields. Just like anything else, if one part is off, it could throw the whole project off. Double check yourself with the Masterpact NW Circuit Breaker UL and ANSI Cluster Support Instruction Bulletin. To make it easier to find, we included a link in the YouTube video description that takes you to this instruction bulletin. Okay, let's continue. As you can see, Brooks has removed the remaining cluster supports by removing the screws. Next, the cluster shields must be installed before installing the new cluster supports. So before moving forward, confirm that you're using the correct cluster shields by viewing Table 1 in the cluster shield installation on Masterpact Circuit Breaker's instruction bulletin. These robust shields protect the clusters from any rough handling or potential impacts. Plus, you'll find they act as a guide to help install the breaker smoothly. Align the cluster shields and cluster supports on the back of the Masterpact breaker and hand tighten the mounting screws with washers. There should be 8 or 3 mounting screws depending upon the type of breaker, cluster shields, and cluster supports required. Make sure you hold the cluster supports vertical by the shield like Brooks is doing when torquing the screws. Apply grease to the cluster supports and to the clusters. And using the cluster positioning tool, install the new clusters. Once those are installed, apply grease to the jaws of the clusters. Also make sure the cradle stabs are lubricated with grease. Now you're ready to reinstall Masterpact into the PZ4. Place the breaker on the extension rails and use the black latch tabs to push the breaker back into the cradle. Now pull out the racking handle and rack in the breaker by turning the handle clockwise. The breaker is securely racked in once the arrow on the display is in the connected position. For more information on Masterpact circuit breakers, visit the Schneider Electric website. No other circuit breaker is a more reliable workhorse than Square D Masterpact. Masterpact reduces downtime from build to serviceability. And with 3 sizes up to 6,300 amps, the compact Masterpact NT and NW breakers offer peace of mind with steady electrical performance. For additional peace of mind, our Advantage service plan offers protection not just for electrical equipment, but for your entire electrical system. Plus, this plan helps you control maintenance costs, eliminating costly spikes. To learn more, visit us on the web. And remember, make the most of your energy with Schneider Electric.